Today we are going to learn how to add numbers. What are we going to do today, class?
Add numbers.
Good job. During the lesson, I want you to keep your eyes on me, and I want you to keep your hands to yourself. What do I want you to do during this lesson?
Keep our eyes on you and our hands to ourselves.
Good job. Okay. There are a couple steps to learning how to add numbers. Step 1 is to read the problem. So when I add numbers, I read the problem first. So I would say 6 plus 4 equals. What does this problem say?
6 plus 4 equals.
Good job. Step 2 is to count out 6 pennies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do I do first?
Count out 6 pennies.
Good job. For step 3, I count out 4 pennies. What do I do for step 3?
Count 4 pennies.
Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. Step 4 is to count all the pennies. What do I do for step 4?
Count all the pennies.
Good job. I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 pennies. So we know 6 plus 4 equals 10. The last thing I do is write 10 for the answer. What is the last thing I do?
Write 10 for the answer.
Good job, class. Okay.
It's time for it now.
Now we are going
That's debatable these days.
to work on another one. For step 1, we read the problem. What do we do in step 1?
Read the problem.
Okay, can you read the problem with me?
7 plus 2 equals.
Good job. What is step 2?
Count the pennies.
Good job. We count out 7 pennies because 7 is our first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. For step 3, we count out our second number. What is our second number, class?
2.
2. Good job. What do we do for step 2?
Count the pennies.
Good job. 1,
2.
For step 3, we count all of the pennies. What do we do for step 3?
Count all of the pennies.
4. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So we know that 7 plus 2 equals 9. For step 5, I write the answer at the end. We write the answer at the end. What do we do for step 5?
We write the answer at the end.
Good job. So we write 9 right there. Okay. Now, we're going to move on to this question. Can you read the problem for us, Zachary?
4 plus 3 equals.
Good job. So for step 1, you read the problem.
I give myself a red tea.
What do we do for step 2, Zachary?
Count the pennies.
Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we do for step 3, Hayden?
I don't want the second one.
You're right. We count the second number. 1, 2, 3. What do we do for step 4, Zachary?
We count all the pennies.
Good job. 1. Can you count with me,
I
class?
sure can.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7.
What do we do for step 5, Zachary?
We write the answer at the end.
Good job. We write the answer at the end. Okay. Now we're going to pass out some papers, and you are going to practice. We're going to work on practicing these on your own. So here are your papers. Okay. I want you to complete step 1 on your paper. Read, and then I can skip this. Okay. It's important that we learn how to add. It's important that we learn how to add numbers because we need to know how to count things all together. You guys did a very good job keeping your eyes on me, and we're going to practice this again tomorrow. Thank you guys for all your help today, and thank you for keeping your eyes on me and your hands to yourself. Good job, class.